one of the key things you learn in the workplace is your ability to make your work speak for you. So, especially if you've been in a situation where you feel you've been putting in so much of work and you've not gotten the credit you deserve, because you're human, you're bound to either get burnt off and feel maybe this is not the right place for you. But come with me. There's a skill set to making sure you get the reward you deserve. They don't teach it in school. It's something you either pick at work or you're smart enough to have someone who holds your hands. I'll share three, and I hope in these three that you're able to see yourself and see how to use it. Because it's important, because most of the time it's not about resigning your work, it's about making sure that everyone on the team sees how important you are to the team's goal. First things first, I always say things like learn how to share progress report. So the best strikers in the world, the best individuals in the world must always give credit. Now, if we've done a project and I know very well that we did a project, first and first is always make people that work with you feel it. Now, we did project A. Have a way of making everybody on that project not feel left out. Shine for them. Any opportunity you have, always bring out everybody. Oh, we did this. I was so excited how this back engineer who doesn't show up in the office, or no one knows. I keep calling his name. Have you met engineer Jack? Jeez. He's amazing when it comes to design thinking. What he did on our project, maybe nobody ever knows him because he's the guy that stays behind the scene. But at the end of the day, we know him, we know his work, we know you work with him, and we've seen the project, and we've seen progress. We want you guys the next thing. Because at the end of the day, people always want people who know how to carry people along. Share progress. Now, share results. I said share project, share results, and learn how to use languages that your team appreciates. So for every place I've worked with, there were linguas I learned from people. It's funny. In a workplace, maybe, and for every new word I learned, as in my vocabulary, I remembered what I learned then. The first time I learned how to use the word is was simply because I knew we were doing projects there. And I had a team lead who was always, whenever we were doing reports, he always talked about how he aced it. And I didn't feel it was a big deal. The day I started using the word, he started laughing and said, now you understand. Most times people understand it, but you need to get so excited. How we aced this project, how we're able to. Now, it's because you understand the language and you've been able to also show growth and give credit that people don't forget you. Most importantly, have documents for things you've done. Don't just say you've done things, have documents, have emails, have records. Make it hard for you to be ignored. And while you go along, make sure you drag everybody that is not seen. Because at the end of the day, we want to have people who speak for us. And we want to get people who are excited. Most people are bored of their job, but they can't stop getting used to the guy who's so excited about it. Be that guy. I hope this helps. Cheers, my name is Charles Obi, and have an amazing day.